This is an install of the Safety First Outsmart Easy Install Bathroom Safety Set. It's got a flush button and it's got a strap that goes on there. So the Outsmart is that the kid would come up and try to push the button. It's not going to unlock. What you actually have to do is turn to get it. So you press, you find where it's soft, and then you turn it. Oh yeah, so that goes underneath the toilet flush to keep them from flushing, and you spin it down. I'll show you how it operates. And then this one, you actually push the sides, and then the decoy is the button that the kid would push. All right, so first up, clean the toilet earlier. But now I'm going to take an alcohol wipe and just go where the adhesives will go. So get right under there for the lock. And there's this template. So you attach the template with the center line, and then the strap is going to go right along there. So this is the flush thing, and it's going to go right here underneath the handle. So we peeled the adhesive off the back, and then it just goes right underneath there to prevent a flush. The button's the decoy, and then you pinch it on the side, and that goes down like that, and you can flush the toilet and lock it back. Alright. Now on the toilet seat strap, the button is going to go up top, and the adhesive at the bottom. We've peeled the adhesive off, so now we're going to fit it. Okay, so we put the arrows right here at the gap pretty much, and then we did the adhesive to the bottom and to the top. And so to get this out, what you do is you just hit that right there. Okay, just pinch. It comes off. It says to wait 24 hours before using it. That's why it's a 3M adhesive. So let me get it a little tighter than that. Alright, so we're definitely going to wait the amount of time on it. Give it a good press. But you saw how it works. Kid comes up, wants to push that. What you got to do is actually squeeze the sides and it'll come off. Same on this one right here. You're going to squeeze the sides and that will turn. Oh, there we go. And then it locks back up to lock it. And same thing with this one. Pinch the sides. The button is the decoy. All right. Thanks again.